Hello guys, welcome back for another question. This question is from inverse trigonometric functions, and this question is similar to the questions where we have to sort out some answer from a given expression. I mean, we have to subtract or add something to a given expression. So let's try this question. The question is written on the screen. Let me highlight it for you. The question is we have to find the value of tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. So first, let's discuss how can we approach these type of questions. The simple and the straightforward way is that we somehow find the values of both the terms. I mean this term and this term. And then we do our normal subtraction as required. Otherwise, if it is not possible to somehow transform or find the values of these expressions, what we do? We apply the formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y or tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. I hope you all remember both these formulas. So I think we can easily find the value of the single individual terms here. So let's do it. Just wait a sec. Okay. So first we are trying to find the value of cot inverse minus root 3. So we finding the value of cot inverse minus root 3. What we do? We assume cot inverse of minus root 3 is equal to y. Then what we do? We apply cot on the both sides and we get our answer as cot y is equal to minus root 3. Now I hope you all remember that the principal value, I mean the principal range of cot inverse is 0 to pi. So our y should lie between 0 to pi only in this interval. If it does not lie, our answer is wrong. Moving to the next slide, just give me a sec. Yeah. So cot of y is equal to minus root 3. That means y is equal to 5 pi minus 6. And 5 pi minus 5 pi upon 6 lies in the interval of 0 to pi. Therefore, cot inverse of minus root 3 is equal to 5 pi upon 6. Let me highlight the answer. Yes. Now moving to the next term, this thing. Tan inverse of root 3. Now we again apply our formula. The range of tan inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So our answer should lie between these two intervals. So our answer is pi by 3. As you all know, tan of pi by 3 is equal to root 3. Now we have both the values, I mean the values of both the terms, and we can easily solve the question. So our next step is that we simply put the values of tan inverse root 3. Let me highlight it, how to do it. We simply put the value of tan inverse root 3 here and cot inverse minus root 3 here. And the question is very easy now. We simplify the expression and we get our answer as minus pi by 2. This thing, minus pi by 2. I hope all you got it. Thank you.